Okay, welcome back, everybody. 10:32 now on a Wednesday evening. A little bit of condensation on the camera lens here in Grand Rapids, looking out into the city. We don't have a whole lot of precipitation at this point in GR, a whole lot of rainfall, that is, but there are a couple spotty showers. We'll get to that radar momentarily. I'm going to go straight to the headlines, and I do believe that tomorrow can turn out fairly similar to today. I think that the vast majority of locations will be rain-free at the open. Probably not as many breaks for sun, not that we had a whole lot today, but there were some intervals of sunshine in there initially during the morning today. Probably more of a mostly cloudy sky, though I can't rule out a break or two for sun. Bottom line is late morning and afternoon, that's when the best blossoming of new showers is going to take place. And there will be some instability again as the aloft temperatures are very, very cool. The surface temperatures are actually going to be cooler tomorrow than they were today. We managed to make it to 63 briefly in GR today, but tomorrow more like the mid 50s, though the difference from top to bottom in the atmosphere is still going to be substantial. So rising motion, a rumble of thunder, strike of lightning certainly conceivable tomorrow afternoon, and even a little bit of mixed hail, though I think the peak potential for all of that was today versus tomorrow. Nonetheless, there's a chance on Thursday, mainly dry Friday, Saturday, and then another system back half of the weekend. I mentioned in the tease before the break, drier into the weekend. Well, that's true Friday and Saturday. It's just that a new system is going to bring about a rainy Sunday. We may not make it to 50 degrees to wrap up the weekend. We've had a series of cold fronts recently. To my recollection, the one that came through today was cold front number 3. This is cold front number 4, which is to arrive, say, mid to late afternoon tomorrow. And I think it's right along that front and ahead of it, the best percentages, the best probabilities for precipitation. So between about 10 a.m. and, say, 3, maybe 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Thereafter, we should taper it back into tomorrow evening. We've gone down to just a couple popcorn showers at this point. I don't really see much prospect for any thunder or lightning from here on out. Most of us will be rain-free in the overnight, but there may be an additional sprinkle or shower anywhere within the viewing area, particularly, I think, overnight near the lake shore. Rainfall totals today, there you see them. Lansing, just over 1/4 of an inch. Grand Rapids, just over 1/2 of an inch. But there were isolated locations that saw even over an inch, say between 1 inch and 2 inches of some heavy rainfall, accompanied by hail as well. That from Crystal Joe in Reed City. That's Osceola County, just north of our viewing area, but representative of some of the hail that did make it through a good majority of West Michigan, enough to accumulate at least for a period in time before it did melt. Here's the day planner tomorrow, mid 50s. Scattered showers, best chances, as I mentioned, late morning and afternoon. The small craft advisories go through tomorrow. Derek and Janice, the waves still cranked up 4 to 6, maybe even 7 feet throughout the day on what will be Thursday. A lot of cool air over southern Canada, dropping southward and manifesting in these temperatures running well below normal. Keep in mind the average is at 66 degrees for tomorrow. We're nowhere near that. Watch the model overnight. Nothing more than a stray shower. You get into tomorrow late morning. This is the model at 9, 10 o'clock. Not a whole lot happening, I don't think, but towards 10, 11 and beyond, a broader area, more widespread area of showers comes about. Could be some thunder and lightning. This will not be severe, but don't be shocked to hear a little bit of ice in the form of hail bouncing off some surfaces once again. Next best chance for rain, we're going to look out for. It's going to be chilly on Sunday.
All right, Anthony, thank you for that. Police in Florida have released